process for building the ZB Commodore started in September last year. Obviously ZB contacted the teams, as did Holden, just in terms of who was interested in going towards it. A little bit of information came through, and we committed with the amount of parts that we were hoping to have for the start of the season. Quite a lot of work goes into building ZB Commodores. We chose to convert one existing chassis as well as build a new one. We started the new one first and got it to a stage while we waited for more information to come from ZB. There's about 1.5 kilometres of wiring that goes through, so again that's months of building and putting together a loom that continues right through the actual build phase of the car. In terms of the actual build of the car itself, there's probably a good month's work for the guys putting the suspension and fuel tanks, but you're able to sort of sub-assemble all those components. So as we're building the chassis, fuel tanks were built ready to bolt straight in, those kind of items, which made it a bit easier for the guys getting the chassis quite late. We probably delayed the actual chassis themselves because we wanted to do as solid a job on the jig in fabrication as we could to make sure when the panels came, the fit was seamless, which effectively it was. So a great job done by the engineering staff and the fabrication guys there to have a repeatable product that was really across the two cars was spot on. Some of the challenges faced with the ZB Commodore has probably just been some of the information flow as ZB went through the homologation process. Obviously they were charged with designing and releasing that information to the teams. So what all that hard work and dedication resulted in was 2 ZB Commodores ready to tackle the season. For all the hard work and dedication the team put in, it was really great to get to SMP and the test day and see the ZB Commodores for Mobile 1 Boost mobile racing on track. Go to Adelaide, first event of the year, get top 10 performance for both cars, podium for JC. It was a really good reward for all the effort put in by the engineering and the guys to build the cars, nice solid effort, and then to back that up at the Grand Prix, first win for Scotty. Fantastic start to the season for the team.